Hey and welcome to Alpha 1. For the second time today we are going to run the binary option robot Alpha Master. You can download this robot also, complete for free. Just use the link you see up there right now, or just use the link you find below the video. Also, as you can see, we are running a competition. This competition will go till Friday. You can win $50. The only thing you need to do to be a part of this competition is to like this video, subscribe to my channel, see the video from start to finish, and make a comment below the video with your Bitcoin address or your USDT address. Also below the video you find a link to my free Forex Telegram channel, so if you have any interest about that, check it out. But now let's start up Alpha Master. And there we have it. We have now a win rate of 62%. We did 21 trades and we made a profit of $228. If you want this robot also, just push this robot thing is up here now and you can download this robot and get started today, or just use the link you find below the video. So with that, have an amazing day.